welcome to Whispers. Oluwo. I wonder what he's up to this time. Let's find out. Stop beating drums of war against Fulanis to avoid ethnic clashes. Oluwo cautions Yorubas. The Oluwo of Oluwo, Oba Abdulrashid Adewale Akobi, has cautioned Yoruba against declaring war on Fulanis, saying it could aggravate to ethnic clashes in the country. I think what could take ethnic clashes as it is on our own land. Okay. The royal father who made the advice in a statement in Osogbo, however, charged them to stop beating drums of war amidst the crisis in the southwest. According to him, the forceful driving out of Fulani is not helpful to a united nation. Are we united? Are we even a nation? There was a nation. Stakeholders in the zone should therefore devise means of fishing out the bad eggs among the Fulanis. But they refused to. It is their refusal that dragged us to where we are today. The lingering Yoruba Fulani saga is a fragile issue that demands a witty, technical approach. Akika. No doubt the activities such as killing, kidnapping, raping perpetrated by the bad eggs amongst the Fulanis are condemnable. So you know more. So you know that they've been up to no good, the bad ones, yet the good ones are covering them, they are shielding them. Okay. As a people, we must understand who to fight. Okay. I see Fulani as a section of the houses, and most Fulanis are not stationed in their origin. Okay. They are relocated and settled. Their most valued item is cows. Most of their properties are movable. And this who we want to declare war against? Okay, but they can declare war against us. Okay. Declaring war against the Fulanis will be derogatorily translated to war against the Hausas. Okay. As if the Fulanis are not even at war with the Hausas. Really? They have turned the Hausas to ground zero. I don't even think we have Hausas in Nigeria anymore. We used to have Hausa, then Hausa Fulani, but now it's Fulani. All their governors are Fulanis. Where are the Hausas? Where are the so-called Hausas? Fulanis are just a section of the Hausas. What will be the fate of billions of investments and properties of the Yorubas in the northern states? Okay, not today. Before if they do this one, will it be is it new? Haven't they been destroying our properties up north? Excuse me? Okay. If their own cows could be moved, how will our innocent sons and daughters in the northern states move their investments and properties? Okay. I see Yoruba losing more there. Should there be war? Okay. Okay. I am appealing to all and sundry to dignify human lives and told the path of honor in sustaining a peaceful coexistence. Go and say that to the Fulani. These words is applicable to them. is applicable to them because they don't have any dignity for human lives. Because they are not interested in peace. All they brought is war. So we shouldn't defend ourselves because we want to coexist peacefully. Abi, war is an enemy of humanity. Go and say that to them. After all, they are your friends. You've asked them to come to Iwo land. You said your gates are open. They should come and report to you. You want to relocate them. That is your own headache. Say that to them when they come. And leave. That is your choice. Let other people live with their choices as well. What war can do, peace can do better. Tell that to the Fulanis. Tell them. They need to hear that. They need it more. He, however, charged people of the Southwest to consider billions of immovable investments and properties of Yoruba stationed in the north. Really? So, all that matters is immovable investment and properties. Should be somebody that is alive that remember that he has immovable investments and properties. So, because of our brothers and sisters in the north that have immovable investment and properties, we should fold our hands. In our own land, they should be killing us because we want to save our brothers and sisters who have immovable properties in the north. Okay. It's okay. However, it charged people of the Southwest to consider billions of immovable investments and properties of Yoruba stationed in the north, describing the path of peace as the most honorable and tasked security operatives to prosecute criminals irrespective of ethnic attachments. Excuse me, which security operatives? It's non-existent now. The police are not working. The armies are not working. Everybody is defending themselves because of immovable investment and properties. Immovable investment and it should be okay. Season film, Nina. Should be you've invited them to Iwo. You say they should come to Iwo. And I've read about some attacks in Osun State, and you are in Osun State, and they've started, testing microphone. So let's see how it goes. But this one that you said, stop beating drums of. Oh, it is not that we are the one beating the drum of war. The ones that they have been slapping, beating, kicking us. So it is us they are beating. Maybe it's the drum that we want to beat now, but they are beating us seriously, knockouts. They are now saying stop beating drums of war against Fulanis to avoid ethnic clashes. Really, when they are invading our private space, invading our own land, that is not for that. They are not looking for war. Oh my God. Oh, this is what you get from political thieves as kings. This is what you get. Can you imagine? It was the. So the Fulanis are not beating. They are not beating war. They are not beating drums. They are beating conga. It's guitar. The Fulanis are playing. The Fulanis are playing saxophone of war. Abi? If the Fulanis are playing the violin, saxophone, the kini of war, let us play drum so that it can be melodious, It can be melodious. And where did they come with that nonsense? That when we're already at war. So now. No, what about shit? I've been wrong. More only not around more people, We not around more people, Ha! Because it got them. More cover by me sample, no, about the sample, to it bush, to it bass, both say, cover my woe. káwa máa kọ́ sí jáàmù ẹkú palẹ̀mọ́ ẹkú ojúná náà ó fẹ́ dé mọ̀kànmọ̀kàn ló yẹ kọ́ you need to taste it there you have it o. Oluwo said don't beat drums so ní kẹ́ máa gbé sax ní kẹ́ gbé o you know kẹ́ fi guitar sí kẹ́ fi piano sí kẹ́ funkify ẹ̀ ìyẹn náà dáa. When we already invasion ni okay ní ethnic clash symbol lọ sí jàmbá. Attention seeker. Pepper yo-yo. Àwọn WhatsApp ọba. Anyway, ẹnu ti gbẹ. Ẹnu gbẹ mo ní ìdí owó. Ẹnu gbẹ. Ẹnu ti gbẹ now. What do you expect? Ìyẹn náà dà. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. So guys, until I come your way again,